Welcome to this guided meditation. If you have been away from meditation for a while and want to get started again, the key is to start slowly. If you haven't meditated for a long time, start with a short exercise just to get back into the rhythm. I have a meditation for beginners course that can help you create that strong foundation you need and make meditation a natural part of your daily routine, so that you can be consistent and make it a habit. The link is in the description below. So find a comfortable meditation posture and then close your eyes. Take a deep breath to clear your mind and body of tension and stress. So inhale deeply all the way down into your stomach and exhale fully, releasing negative thoughts and negative emotions. Breathing in fresh air and breathing out stress and worries. One last time, breathe in deeply and breathe out fully. Continue to breathe calmly and deeply. Now focus on your breath, making your breath your center. Breathing in deeply and breathing out fully. Feel how the air enters your body and fills your stomach. Remember to breathe from your belly and not your chest. So observe your belly as it rises and falls with each breath. Release built-up tension from your body as you breathe out, letting go of the stress and worries that are keeping you from fully relaxing. So breathe into your stomach and breathe out slowly and fully. Allow yourself to just relax, focusing on your breath and making your breath your entire universe. Breathe in a calm and relaxed rhythm and follow each breath as you fill your stomach with fresh air and breathe out stress and tension. Enjoy this moment of relaxation and peace. Breathe in fresh air, feeling your belly rise, and breathing out negative thoughts and emotions, letting your belly fall back down. Let your body be loose and relaxed, and let your mind be calm and still, focusing on your breath and letting your breath keep you in the present moment. If you find yourself losing focus, engaging in inner chatter, simply breathe in, and then as you breathe out, let go of the thoughts. Remember that it is completely normal and natural to lose your focus during meditation. That is to be expected. So don't get frustrated, but simply return to your breath, breathing in deeply and breathing out fully, enjoying the moment and enjoying the peace. Now take a deep breath and then slowly open your eyes. Allow yourself to get back to meditation slowly and in your own tempo. I hope you enjoyed this short exercise. Be sure to check out my course if you want to make meditation a natural part of your day. The link is in the description below. I am jbittersweet, and I will see you in the next video. Namaste.